This is the Elite Gourmet Countertop French Door Convection Toaster Oven. It has so many functions to it. It has the oven, has convection oven, rotisserie, has a timer, has a temperature gauge. It opens up with the French doors like this. It comes with the oven racks, comes with the oven cookie sheet, very large. All right, let's put our food in and see how it works. All right, so let me explain this a little bit. You need to have the timer on for it to work. It will not work without the timer. So the top one is the temperature gauge. The second one is if you want it for convection and it has different settings. The third one is another temperature gauge. And the fourth knob is a timer. You have to have the timer on for it to work. So we put our meal in at 350 degrees for 1 hour. I absolutely love this little oven, this countertop oven. It creates such a beautiful baking. It bakes beautifully.